Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to schedule emails to be sent later in Gmail on your Android device. This is a great feature that allows you to compose an email and have it automatically sent at a later time. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail and compose a new email by tapping on Compose first. Open the Gmail app on your Android device and tap on the Compose button to start a new email. Step 2. Write the email you want to schedule next. Write the email you want to schedule as you would normally. Step 3. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Once you have finished composing your email, tap on the three dots located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will bring up a list of options. Step 4. Tap on Schedule. Send from the list of options, tap on Schedule Send. This will allow you to choose a date and time to send the email. Step 5. Choose the wanted time by tapping on Pick Date and Time. Tap on Pick Date and Time to choose the date and time you want the email to be sent. You can select a specific time or choose from a preset option. Step 6. The email will be sent at that selected time, and the email will be saved in the scheduled folder if you want to edit it later. Once you have selected the date and time, your email will be saved and scheduled to be sent at that time. It will be stored in the scheduled folder in your Gmail account until it is sent. If you need to edit the email or change the scheduled time, you can do so by opening the email from the scheduled folder. Conclusion: that's it. You now know how to schedule emails to be sent later in Gmail on your Android device. This is a great feature that can save you time and help you stay organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.